Welcome to this tutorial on how to do pest control on your own. Hi everyone, my name is Angie and I am the founder of Cedar City Pest Control. For many years we couldn't afford a pest control service, so I tried different methods and products until I finally found what worked best to exterminate the bugs. And I just wanted to share with you. I hope it's helpful. As a household and a pest control provider, I wanted to give you expert advice on how to do it yourself at home. At Cedar City Pest Control, we understand that not everyone can afford a service. However, we want to serve you directly or indirectly, so enjoy this tutorial. There are many products out there that you might find yourself confused on what product to choose. The number one question I get from homeowners is what is the best product they can buy to use themselves? I personally prefer Ortho Home Defense because it's made out of organic ingredients, it's pet friendly, and it is the most efficient product to eliminate the common pest. This product is more efficient if it is applied at the beginning of the spring. So we're going to spray 5 feet up and 5 feet out from the base of the wall. What this is going to do is to create a barrier that will prevent bugs from going inside your home, which is the main thing we're trying to prevent. And that is all, everybody. I hope it was helpful. Now you know what the best product is and how to apply it. Oh, and here's an extra tip from the expert. This do-it-yourself method is effective. However, if you see any pest infestation out of control, I recommend you contact a pest control provider.